In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any task and have ClickUp automatically repeat it on the schedule you choose, so you never miss routine work again. First, open ClickUp and look to the left-hand sidebar. That's your main navigation. Head into Spaces to find the workspace area where your task lives. Choose the space you use for this type of work, then navigate into the correct folder or list. Make sure you're viewing it in list view so you can easily see tasks, their statuses, and due dates in a simple table layout. Next, locate the task you want to make recurring and click it to open the task details. This brings up the task panel, where you can see fields like assignee, status, and the due date. If the task doesn't have a due date yet, that's fine. You'll set it now as part of the recurrence. Find the due date field for the task. Click the date that appears next to the task or the due date area inside the task panel to open the date picker. This is where you normally set single dates, but it also includes the recurrence controls. In the date picker, select Set Recurring. This opens the recurrence options. You'll see clear choices like weekly, daily, and monthly. Pick the pattern that matches how often the task should repeat. If you choose weekly, select the day of the week you want it to recur on. Great for things like Monday reports or Friday check-ins. If you choose daily, it will repeat every day or at your chosen daily interval, perfect for quick, repeatable routines. If you choose monthly, decide whether it repeats on a specific date, such as the 15th, or on a pattern like the first Monday of the month, ideal for monthly billing, statements, or audits. Set any supporting details offered in your plan to match how your team works. When you're satisfied with the recurrence settings, click Save. You'll return to the task and should see the due date updated with a recurrence indicator. From now on, ClickUp will handle creating the next instance based on the schedule you selected, keeping your calendar and workload up to date automatically. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Set an appropriate due time if timing matters. Confirm the task is assigned to the right person before saving, and use clear task titles so recurring items are easy to recognize. If you ever need to adjust the cadence, just reopen the due date, update the recurrence, and save again.